Hey guys, what's up? So today we're actually going to be hosting a Meep City party in Meep City. Well, I mean, obviously it's a Meep City party. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I'm a plus member, so I can create a party. Let's go on like social or dance. Social or dance. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch the tiger by the toe. If he hollers, no, wait, let me read it. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch my penguin by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My mother said, no. Hold on, let me redo this. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch the penguin by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Right back. Mr. Pryce said to pick the best one, and that one is you. Okay, social. Yes, let's create a social party. So, I have like played Meep City a lot before. And like that's why I have such a big party. That's why I have 410 likes on my party. Like, yeah. Let's just go. Like, I have a. Yeah. I have this toilet. I don't know why I spent like 5,000. How much is this toilet? Like 5,000? Pretty sure. I don't know why I spent that much. Yeah. Disappointment. Oh hey, what's up? Oh, I already have like. Oh, yo. I just started the party and I already have like a page of people who joined. Dude, rest in peace. He. Someone just said he? He? Like, okay, why would somebody join this party if, like, look at me. This is what they see. Like, when they look at this party, they see this. Who would join this party? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just gonna, like, change the music. Even though you guys can't hear it. Little Pump Obama, yeah, sure. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, so you know how there's like a watermark at the bottom right here? It says like record by Screenomatic. I'm gonna change that today. Maybe today. I don't know though. Today's Friday, so yeah. This young, dumb, and broke. Still come to give. Like, do I still have a page of people? No. Yo, they all left. All left. Rest in peace. Like, did I turn on the wrong song? Okay, we have to get more people. Trapper of the century. Trapper of the century. Yes. 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 Yes, bro. Dude, I'm just dancing like this to Little Pump Obama. Like, and I'm a penguin with bacon hair and a mustache and glasses and I'm smiling. I'm dancing to Little Pump. Bricks. Trapper of the century. Pump. School, 'cause I'm selling drugs. Of the century. Obama. Obama, 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 Obama. You guys can't hear it. It probably ruins the party. Okay, that's copyright. The thunder, 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 thunder. Alright, what if I act dead? What if I just sleep? Nobody can see me, okay. What if I jump up and sleep? Yes, yes. You think you are. Okay. How much is there anymore? Okay, there's me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, and all of them don't have Robux. Woohoo! I earned 75 points. Hold on. You know what I'm gonna do? Nobody deserves this party. Yes. Leave party. Return to playground. Okay, now let's join a party. Okay, I want to join a party. After, I'm going to join a party after I reset my character, and I want to go buy something from the furniture store. Either furniture or home improvement. But, like, there's not much home improvement stuff I need. Fashion show. No. Professional camera light, no. Living room. What's in here? That I don't have. I mean, I don't have a lot of stuff in here. Do I already have one of these? I feel like I do. Yeah, I do. Entertainment. What can I have? Boombox, I already have that. I have everything in here. Like, that's sad. Yo, I spent $2,000 on a toilet. Like, I mean, in the game. Fashion show. I was just on that. What's candy pack? Like, I've never seen these. Buy pack for 1,000 but no. No. Do I have my poster yet? I obviously don't. Because I'm never going to get my poster until I get, like, a big YouTuber. I feel like I should go to Party Essentials, but most of these... Oh, I was about to say, most of these all cost Robux, but never mind. Let's see. Dance floor. Big dance floor. Let's just go to my house, alright? Yeah, let's teleport to my estate, if you want to be specific. Oh, my recording's about to run out. I can only record for 15 minutes. Alright. Okay. I was lightning for the thunder, 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 thunder. I mean, like, do you like everything I have here? Like, I have my TV, I have, like, fidget spinner box, I have this. I like it. I love the gaming chairs. I don't know where to put the gaming chairs. Like my last gaming chair. Here, I have this room. He already has a gaming chair. That's my friend. This is my room. I already have 2 gaming chairs. This is apparently going to be my editing place. And then this is going to be like where I do my videos. That's going to be cool. But like, where do I put my last gaming chair? Oh, no. Let's get like, what should I get? I have an office chair. And a gaming chair. Should I put like the office chair in here? Or the gaming chair? Wait. I'm tired, guys. I'm doing 2 videos today. No, 3 actually. So I'm gonna be doing a video after this. Oh, you guys are lucky. Hold on, let me check. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering how I got from 474 coins to 74. Well, I'll show you. Attic, 4 toilets. Before the thunder, thunder. Thunder, thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Thunder. Alright, now let's go put a toilet over here. By the hot tub. Where's my hot tub? There. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe. And yeah, peace out.